This is not the first time I'm doing this intro. I keep messing it up. Apple crumble, super easy. Let's make some. Peel and chop 2 pounds or 1 kilogram of Granny Smith apples into little cubes. To that, you'll add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of white or brown sugar, more if you prefer it to be sweeter, a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give that a mix and set that aside. For the topping, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half cup of white or brown sugar, more if you want it sweeter, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Whisk that up to combine well before adding 125 grams or half a cup of melted unsalted butter. Place the apple mixture on a baking tray and spread them out as evenly as possible before adding your topping. Try to get the topping spread out as evenly as possible. Nobody wants to be biting into random thick chunks of it. Throw that into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes until golden brown. Pull that out of the oven, cover with tin foil, and set that aside to cool. FYI, I forgot to get the shot of me covering this with tin foil. Sorry. Usually I serve this up with vanilla ice cream, but you're free to use whipped cream or whatever you want. Go wild. By the way, if you found my videos helpful, please consider supporting me on Buy Me a Coffee. Helps me create more videos like these and constantly improve my content. You can find the link in the description below. This is really good. Honestly, I usually find the store-bought desserts don't seem to have the right balance of flavor. Most often it's loaded with sugar and you're high like 15 to 20 seconds after the first bite. For me, this crumble strikes that balance perfectly between sweetness and sort of tartness. You've got the sweetness of the sugar with the tartness of the apples, along with the subtle flavors of cinnamon and lemon. I like it. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you next time. Cheers.